Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our yearly leave tracker. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Let's get started. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. At the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. Working with this sheet starts in the Database tab. It's here where you input your company standards of how you'll manage your employees' leaves. You input details such as the holidays and dates that your company observes, employee names, and their respective departments, which you could also input right here. The 3 lists can be modified, meaning you can add categories at the bottom to expand your list. Simply add data below the last row of data and press enter. The right side of the sheet has some fixed lists, meaning you can only change the item given the number of cells provided to you. You select which days of the week are your working days and the years you want included. Once everything's done, we can move on to the yearly leave tracker sheet. In this calendar table is where you can input your employees and keep track of their leaves. In the leftmost column of the table, you put in your employees using the drop-down. Then the off days which you specified are highlighted in red. To mark a leave day, all you have to do is place in the code for the corresponding employee on the date that they'll take their leave. For example, Employee 16 would like to take a sick leave on the 28th of January. We simply plug in the letter S, which is the code for sick leaves, into the appropriate cell. Notice that the cell turns red and the table to the right of it tallies a leave for the sick leave category. To expand the table, click on the plus sign on the leftmost part of the sheet. You can cycle through the different months using the arrows beside the month title. And make sure to set the current month and year using the cells on the top left. To the right, you have an interactive dashboard which gives you metrics such as the kinds and number of leaves per employee, the types of leaves per department, and the number of leaves per category. You can edit the criteria by using the provided slicers on top. You can filter out by leave category, department, and employee. It also gives you a count on how many employees you have listed who have leaves. Every time you input raw data, you can press the refresh macro button to update the charts. There's also a full screen macro button which, when pressed, hides the ribbon so you have a larger space to work with. If you want your ribbons back, just minimize the window and it should be right back. We also have a clear data button which, when pressed, removes all the data that you inputted. Be sure to note that changes done by macros cannot be undone, so use this button with caution. With this Excel template, you can greatly maximize your efficiency in managing your human resources in just a few simple steps. The value you could gain by automating systems like these would empower your business and your employees for future growth. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.